Hey guys, this is Kashish Panchal aka the Cozy Chick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I have done the sweat proof makeup look which works great for summer seasons, and the base that I've done in this look will be very interesting for you guys. It's very lightweight, it's breathable, it won't budge your makeup easily, and it is sweat proof, and it is long lasting, and it will look very skin like, and it will hide all your blemishes, dark circles, nothing will be visible. And you just need one base product for this. That's it. No foundation, no concealer, nothing. So if you want to know how I've done this effortless beautiful base look for a sweat proof summer makeup look, then make sure you continue watching this video. But before you move further, make sure you like, comment and share this video. If you are new over here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, the Cozy Chick. So without blabbering much, let's get into this video. So guys, before we start doing our makeup, skincare is very important, and make sure you're doing your complete skincare routine. I have already done my skincare, and if you want to know what my skin products are, you can check out this particular video here or here. It will pop up and you can check out that video to understand what I use in my skincare routine. It's the basic same thing that I've used right now as well. So for me, usually I don't really like using a lot of foundation on my face. I don't like using foundation in general because I feel that it's very heavy on my skin, and I just want my skin to breathe from the makeup. So instead of foundation, you can use a CC cream or a BB cream. It works so well. I'm gonna use today the Note BB cream. So it's basically a CC cream and a BB cream both, because it's also a color correcting cream and works so well. It is an amazing, mind blowing product. It's so lightweight on my skin. It hides all of these redness. You can see this mark, right? This is a acne mark that is left from my previous acne. Just see how it will hide this without any concealer or anything. It's so good. It's really good. I start with little amount of product. Always start with little amount of product. Don't use a lot of product, and just blend everything. When I apply this BB cream, I don't even need like a concealer because it has such an amazing coverage. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit more under my eyes because I'm not gonna apply concealer today. So I'm just going to use this particular BB cream and apply it all around my face, and I won't even need a concealer, you guys. Hardly there are any dark circles visible, so it gives you coverage. It's extremely lightweight. It is dermatologically tested. It's not a sponsored product. Like, this is a product that I've genuinely loved, and in summers this works really well because it does the job of foundation and concealer. What else do you need? So now I'm gonna use some compact powder. I'm not using a translucent powder or a loose powder because it's very drying for my face. So I really like using the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 220 under my eyes to set them. So anywhere where you are sweaty, you can apply this particular compact powder or any powder that you have. We need some color on this blank canvas, and that's why I'm going to use a blush and a bronzer shade on my face. I'm going to use this particular palette from Mars Cosmetics. They have like all these beautiful shades for bronzers and blush, so we're going to use that. First, I'm going to dip my brush in the bronzer shade and just chisel out my face. You need to blend those colors like really well because it does get patchy sometime, but if you blend it really well, then it's fine, like it works. So for summers, I think powder products works really well. Instead of cream blushes and cream bronzers, you can just use like powder products because it will stay for a longer time. The longevity of your makeup will increase if you use like powder products instead of cream products. Now the final step that I do for my base makeup, which is so important in order to keep your makeup intact, is a setting spray. I personally love the Kryolan setting spray. This is an amazing setting spray. If you apply this and even if you rub your face, your makeup is not going to go anywhere. So when I apply this, it gives me like a smell. So when I apply this when I apply this when I apply this fixing spray, it gives me like this very alcohol acetone types fragrance, and also on my face it feels a little bit stretchy. So yeah, it feels dry on my face when I apply it, but after some time it just goes away and everything is normal. I use it on very rare occasions, just somewhere if I want to go out for like the entire day, somewhere on a very special event, if I have to go, only then I use it, or else I don't really use it on everyday basis. Oh my god, it has, I literally feel like I've applied acetone on my face. Let me apply some lipstick and some mascara and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, this is how the final look turned out. This is a very much sweat proof makeup look, so you do not have to worry about anything. This will stay for around 3 to 4 hours maximum in sunlight, so it won't melt, nothing would happen to it unless and until you have like a very oily skin type. Then it might change, like this kind of makeup look changes for every single person according to their own skin type. I personally have combination skin, more towards dry side, and this particular routine works for me, and my makeup stays intact for at least 4 hours, and it doesn't get really oily or anything, and this makeup will not melt. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.